Hi, today we will see how to increase the video speed with Camtasia video editor. If you have a slow motion video and want to increase its speed, then this video will help you a lot. So firstly, I'm on my Camtasia and there's a video looking like this of 30 seconds. And if I play a little bit, you can watch its original speed. To me, it's a bit slower and just want to increase its speed. So pausing it and making a copy of it so that later I can show you the original speed. So this is the original one and I'm just going to work with this. Now right click and add clip speed. Then you will see a bar at the bottom of it and also can see two icons with two right and left arrows. As you want to increase the speed, then we have to take it to the backward as shown. Doing this will increase the video duration or playtime and will make the speed of this video faster. I'm making this video length to 15 seconds and earlier it was of 30 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna play it. You may have some problems to watch it properly, but it's working finely here. And the actual video was this. So we learned that adding clip speed will get your video speedy by dragging the icon to the backwards. And if you take it to the forward, then it will be much more slower than the original one. And that's how we can increase our video speed and get our tasks done. Hope you liked this video, and if you did so, then please hit the like button, share your experiences, suggestions, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph ID. Hope to see you in the next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.